Meaning of goal area.
Goal area.
Goal area.
Goal area.
Goal area. The goal area is a rectangular-shaped area in front of each goal in soccer. It is marked by lines that extend 5.5 meters, 18 feet, from the goal line into the field. The purpose of the goal area is to provide a clear space for the goalkeeper to perform actions within the area, such as throwing or kicking the ball. Additionally, opposing players are not allowed to enter the goal area during gameplay, except in certain circumstances. Overall, the goal area serves an important role in the organization and tactics of soccer teams.